How to add already installed games on Epic Games. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add already installed games on your device, but now you'll need to add it to your Epic Games. So let's get started. First, open up your Epic Games and this is my library right here. And there are two games here. So here you can see Rocket League. Let me just uninstall this. And yeah, it's not really installed. It's still here though. So what I'll need to do here is I will need to install Rocket League. First, let's see that my Rocket League is already installed. So there you can see this is the program file for Rocket League. I've just renamed this to something else to make it different than the one that we're gonna install now. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to begin the installation. So here you can tap on this, start with the installation process. So let me just search for Rocket League. And after searching for Rocket League, you can then install the game. Now you can install any game that you want, which you already have. So we just need this for a bit. So tap on install, and when your installation begins, you'll then need to delete the file. So you need to stop installation. So let's say I'll show you how it's done. So let's say that this is downloading. And after a while, after it downloads and completes, just cancel installation and don't just pause it. Simply cancel the installation. Come back here. Now, after the installation begins, here another folder will get created called Rocket League. Now, I was installing Rocket League, but it's not getting uninstalled for some reason. But yeah, here another file for Rocket League will get created, which you will need to delete. And after that, you'll need to rename this into Rocket League. After you rename this to its original folder name, you can then head back here and search for Rocket League and then, you know, resume your installation. And after you resume your installation, it will not install, but it will start verifying the files. And now your games will have come back or it will be added to your library on Epic Games. And that's how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.